making healthy vegan seed crackers. So what you're going to need, starting off with the seeds, you can use different ratios of the seeds, but I've used 100 grams of sunflower seeds, 100 gram pumpkin seeds, 60 grams sesame seeds, and 40 grams of flax seeds, as well as 2 tablespoons of psyllium husks to mix it all up, 500 milliliters of water, and a teaspoon each of organum, thyme, and basil, a teaspoon of salt, and a mixing bowl. The first thing you're going to do is turn your oven to 160 degrees Celsius, and then next all we do is combine all the ingredients in a mixing bowl, starting with the seeds, the 2 tablespoons of psyllium husks, a teaspoon each of the herbs, and about a teaspoon of salt. Add some water. And then we're just going to mix it all together and let the mixture settle for about 10 minutes. After 10 minutes have passed, you can prepare your baking pan with some spray and cook. And then all we're going to do is pour the mixture into the baking pan. The important thing here is to flatten out any holes and make sure the mixture is completely even. You can spread it evenly. And then flatten it. You can even use your hands if you need to. Alright, we're now going to bake this in the oven for an hour at 160 degrees Celsius. So, if you would like crispier crackers, leave the crackers in the oven for a bit longer to cook, plus minus an extra 20 minutes for very crispy crackers. And then when you take them out, let them cool completely. After they've cooled, you cut them into the desired sizes and top them with any desired topping of your choice. I've used vegan cream cheese, avocado, and some vegetables.